Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to add images on videos using Capcut. So let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and launch the application, and then from there tap on New Project. Here just choose the video that you want to add the image on, and then tap on Add. From here tap on Overlay from down here, and then tap on Add Overlay. Now tap on Photos, and then choose the image that you want to add on your video. After that tap on Add. From here just adjust the image however you want. You can zoom in or out however you want to adjust it. And then you can extend the duration of the image from here. Once you're done from that, you can leave it like this, or you can try to blend it in using these effects. And tap on play, and this is your result. And that's how you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for the channel for future videos to problems like these, and thanks for watching.